Suppers, this is Eisen. I'm back again, part 2 of the shoe video. Today I actually watched 2 shoe restoration videos because I'd never watched any before. I've got a bit more knowledge because they didn't really explain any of the steps. I like to do that, but I suppose that's not for everybody. If you want to make it real high society, terrible, expensive content type video. Anyway, here's what the shoe looks like now. It's been drying for quite a while. I didn't work on it yesterday at all. So I've still got a bit more to patch up, and this whole side, I might deal with this today, and I might get to the bottom. So this is my setup. I point the fan at the shoe. So then all the fumes from this glue, which are very obviously harmful and toxic and extremely flammable, go out the window, and I don't have to inhale them at all. Today's addition to this video is this child's paintbrush, since we apparently have a lot of them. The dudes in the shoe restoration videos were using paintbrushes. I was just using this piece of paper.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves you follow me, drifting to places actually so close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap and listen the way we used to be. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something.
Here's our delicious crepe. Our tasty little man. He's gonna be all...
Here's our delicious little crepe update.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
Today's crepe update.
Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me,
you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
Right, so I found this thing on the road today. This curled up piece of... could be anything from rubber to plastic. And I thought it looked quite shoe-like, so I'm gonna see if I can put that on the shoe. Of course, I've got to remove this strange little lip from it. It might work, it might not, but either way I've picked up a thing that I can flex. So, the shoe thing is that I was straight up walking around, I seen these frickin' Jordans on the road, and I thought, those look like Adrian's frickin' Jordans. And
You know who Adrian is, yeah? Yeah.
I've never seen the man, but I've heard of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm on the same boat.
one of them was completely trash, and the other one was, at the very best, okay.
Oh, happy birthday! A wasted photo. It's a good picture.
It turned out, once I showed everybody on Snapchat, they actually were his. I thought they were just of the same type. I didn't even know they were custom spray painted. Cut them to my size and everything.
They are Adrian's?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
he kind of threw him out, so not anymore.
And he
Okay.
didn't even know they were there, though, because he's been gone, and for quite a while, he didn't even know where the hell his Jordans had gone, and seemed to have paid no mind to them. But thing is, they're really freaking broken. So...
Oh, they were really fucked. They're still
Yeah.
pretty fucked. Like, if you have a look at them, they're pretty fucked up, even after a ton of work. None of which I put in.
Nice. Good job, Greg.
Why would I have made you work on the Jordans?
I was just making sure Jags knew that I didn't put any effort into those.
I know that you put in minimal effort for things that don't concern you, man.
Yep,
Yeah.
pretty well. It happens. happens.
Common Greg fact 101.
You know, occasionally I have this weird moment of clarity where I do something really nice for another person, like go over and water my neighbor's lawn or like clean their car or something, but it's rare. It's fucking rare.